everybody, it's Cindy in Oklahoma, and I have a new wig to show you. Sorry, I'm in my bathroom. I want to do this quick. I have done other videos already today, and I did change shirts because I got one of my old ones on. Anyway, this wig is Raquel Welch. It is voltage, and this time I got a large, and it is in gradient charcoal. The gradient charcoal is number R511G. And of course, this is voltage. Here's the front. Here's the left side. Here's the back. Here's my right side. And there's the front again. I'm sorry, you have to look at my face. Anyway, I'm going to take it off and I'm going to show you, and I still may do some more alterations because I just don't like the way it fits. Okay. It just has a standard cap. It has the moleskin on the front, and up there I put a comb. I don't always use it, but if I want to, I've got it. On the temples, I know that's hard to see because they're black, I sewed in 2 actual wig clips. And on the back, I sewed in another comb. Now, you can see my little stitches, maybe the little white stitches along. That's where I took the cap up about 3 wefts, 2 wefts. And then I also did the same at the crown. My problem is it rides too low on the ear, but when I fix it up here, it pulls the ear tab too far back. So I think I'm going to have to take these out. I like the fiber. I don't quite understand why when they make a salt and pepper color, the hair feels coarser. I've gotten other brands of wigs and found that to be true. The only one that was truly, truly soft was the Tony of Beverly, and the gray was just nice and soft. And this isn't bad. Of course, this doesn't, I've not done anything to it. It does not have a lot of shine. It looks like natural hair. It was comfortable. I've worn it all day. So far so good with those. And this is for my friend Joan. Junebug, y'all may know her here on YouTube. I can't link her channel below on this one because I'm doing this on, yes I can, you're mine. I'm going to link her channel below. I'm dingy today. She had done a video where she took an old wig and she made a topper out of it. So I told her, I said, well, you've inspired me. I'm going to go get my old cape that had started that turning up on the ends. And I'm going to see what happens. And she asked me, would I please show this? So I had to end up cutting off about the nape and about 4 or 5 wefts up. And I sewed a piece of, what this is that elastic that come off some other, not this wig, but another one's side, to kind of anchor 2 wefts together to put a clip on it. So I put that there. And then I put a clip on each side and one right up at the top of my head. Now, I don't know if I'll use that one on the top of my head or not, but she wanted to see how this came out. So, y'all will probably see this part when I'm down with my, trying to heal from my eye surgery. I'm making a few videos to put up, maybe clamp it in the back, and I'm not even going to do the top because I'm going to be taking it off, but this is how my topper came out, and I was pretty proud of her, being that this was a wig that was just ready to really be discarded, and I just hadn't done it, so it was a very good practice. There's the front, not really fixed. There's the left side. This is what the back looks like. Part of this is my hair you're seeing. This is the right side, and there's my base again. Y'all have a wonderful spring. I love you, and thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.